Now we'll do the same thing for the next figure. So on question number 2, we have to figure out the degree symmetry for figure number 2. We're going to start out with this drawing, which are two lines that are perpendicular to each other, and therefore the degree measure between each one of them is 90 degrees. Now we're going to take a copy of the drawing that we need to work on, and we're going to, again, tape it to this. So it'll be easy to see how to calculate the degree measure of rotational symmetry. Let's put a red dot here, so we know our starting point. We've got another piece of patty paper which has got another identical figure we'll put on top of it. I'll put a red dot there so we can keep track of things as we rotate it. I'm going to put the pencil in the center point, which is where those two lines meet, and let's start rotating. Remember, we've got to note when is the first time that the figures go right on top of each other. So they're overlapping yet? No. They're not on top? No. Keep going. Are they over each other? No. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And there, I hope you notice that right at that point, they're lying right on top of each other. Okay, and if I had drawn a perfect diagram, they'd be right on top of each other. And you can see that the red dot has moved 90 degrees in the counterclockwise direction. So the answer to problem 2, the rotational degree of symmetry, is 90 degrees. But as long as we're at it, let's see if we could calculate the order of rotational symmetry. So this is the first position that they line up. Let's keep rotating. This is the second position that they line up. Let's keep rotating. Try to get my hand a little bit out of the way here. Whoops, kind of slipped a bit. Okay, let's just keep rotating around. That was the second position. We've got a third position. Notice that they're lining up on that position as well. And the last position is always the position that brings the point back to its starting point, and that is the fourth position. So that the order of rotational symmetry is 4, and the degree measure of symmetry is 90 degrees. Let's go ahead and write those answers in here. So we've got 90 degrees, and we've got the order of rotational symmetry is equal to 4.